We'll keep those shorts handy because today we begin a warming trend with more summer-like temps by the weekend. Bob's here with more on that. So I guess we're saying goodbye to the brief taste of fall that we had.
It was especially chilly the last couple mornings,
Yeah.
but you know, I think I'll be able to ride to work in shorts again. That's a bike ride. It was a little bit chilly in shorts the last couple mornings. In fact, long pants this morning.
But it was nice while we had it.
Yeah, it was nice during the day.
Yeah.
It's a nice change.
Yeah.
But warming trend kicking in, sunny all week, near 90 degrees by Thursday. And you know, I was just looking at our almanac page. Many of our high temperatures are no longer in the triple digits. So that's a sign of the changing seasons. And here's another sign. We had a frost advisory earlier this morning that expired about 8 o'clock, but just want you to know that some locations seeing some issues with some frost already. And our average first freeze, by the way, in Boise, all you gardeners out there, I'm one of them. I just harvested a bunch of tomatoes yesterday.
Oh yeah, I didn't get any.
Tweeted that out on Facebook. I gotta at least wash them.
Oh, okay.
You know.
So they're coming.
Anyway, the average first freeze in Boise, October 10th. The average first freeze, the hard freeze, but when you hit about 28 degrees, that's October 23rd. That's on the average. Of course, it could come earlier or later. Right now, we have hardly cloud in the sky, 65 degrees. Winds are calm. And some other temperatures across our region. Almost walked out there with my glasses on. 49 degrees in Stanley. We have 54 in Haley and 56 in Baker City, 65 degrees in Boise. For this Tuesday, September the 8th, we're forecasting 81 and 55, very close to normal on both the high and the low. And there we have a record that's not in the triple digits. We've just started seeing that show up. Here is our long-term computer model. This is looking out days. Got a low pressure system up there in Canada, another one around the Aleutian Islands. But here's our story right here, this high pressure ridge. That's the way we call it, a ridge. Now on Thursday, it's going to have a big influence on our weather, going to warm us up into the 90s, going to be pretty warm for Friday on into Saturday and Sunday as that high is pretty close to us, but it moves a little farther to the west. And then this guy, this long-term computer model has this dropping in, a big low pressure trough carving out first part of next week. But in the meantime, just a nice little warming trend kicking in with highs near 90 degrees starting on Thursday. Water vapor has a pretty dry air mass. That means clouds are going to be pretty scarce across our area. You can kind of see that on satellite and radar. Northwesterly flow cutting across northern Idaho. Maybe a few showers for the panhandle this morning and this afternoon. But on our futurecasts, they remain well to the north. We just continue to let this run through Wednesday on into Thursday on into Friday. No big changes across southern Idaho. Pretty much cloud free at times. Maybe some high, thin, wispy clouds. You'll kind of see that on our high resolution tight view here, but that's about it. Pretty much a cloud-free sky and lots of blue sky and temperatures warming up. You can kind of see that on our temperature trend here. Just a little blob of orange there, but watch the orange expand all across the Pacific Northwest and the Snake River Plain. And then even a little bit of red showing up with some lower 90s possible by Thursday and the afternoon hours, the warmest part of the day. Sunny and warmer for Twin Falls with a high 79. For Sun Valley, a high of 72. Sunny and warmer conditions for Stanley as well. And for McCall and Cascade, you're looking at daytime highs in the lower 70s, lower 80s for Council and Riggins, lower 80s for the western end of the valley, pretty close to 80 degrees, Knapp and Caldwell. And Boise, right around 80, 81 is what we're forecasting. We'll see some improvement as far as those overnight lows, and then near 90 degrees Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Pretty quiet weather-wise with sunny skies to mostly sunny all week long. Rick?